1. Cryptocurrencies can be used for more than just payments and investments. They can also be used to power decentralized applications, DApps, and smart contracts. 2. The total number of cryptocurrencies in existence is constantly changing, as new ones are created and old ones become defunct. 3. Some cryptocurrencies, like Ripple, XRP, and Stellar, XLM, are specifically designed for use in cross-border payments and remittances. 4. Cryptocurrency transactions are typically faster and cheaper than traditional bank transfers or international wire transfers. 5. Some cryptocurrencies, like Dogecoin, were created as a joke but have since become popular among investors and traders. 6. Cryptocurrency mining requires specialized hardware and software, and can be a profitable way to earn cryptocurrency. 7. The largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization is currently Bitcoin, followed by Ethereum and Binance Coin. 8. Despite their reputation for being volatile and risky, cryptocurrencies have gained mainstream acceptance in recent years, with major companies like Tesla, PayPal, and Visa starting to accept payments in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies.